Hey guys, these are one of those treats that that you can't really put a price on. One of our listeners or subscribers, Jim, watched the video and had an issue with his Bissell Revolution. He did his own little diagnostic, watched my video, and he was able to. He placed an order through me to get the Bissell pump. The pump came in to Jim, and it was my last pump because they're on back order. And I think at this moment they're still on back order because I still have a few Bissell Revolutions here that we're waiting for pumps to come in for them so I can install it and get them fixed and everything. And so all my suppliers plus Bissell direct through their service, my parts portal, they're on back order right now. So he made a video. So yeah, he said, "Hey, Wayne, you can share this video of me repairing replacing my pump." And his pump is a little different. He had a T kind of a setup, and the pump that I sent him was kind of straight from the well, the fan area of the pump, and the hose went straight to the port for the hose, right? And his had a little split, so he was able to just kind of do what we do. You know, we kind of MacGyver it, right? We find a way to make it work. So I'm going to share this video with you guys so you can see him go through this. And thanks again, Jim, for shouting me out and for watching and subscribing. And guys, I hope you enjoy this video and watch Jim replace his pump.
Okay, so I was having trouble with my Bissell rug cleaner, and this is actually what they call the deluxe from Costco. I got it a few years ago. It was great. It's a great carpet cleaner. However, it started leaking, and I don't know if it was because I had put it out in the shed, which I usually don't do, and we had some freezing weather. Uh, and the next time I tried to use it, I got a leak. And I had a hard time trying to figure out where that leak was coming from. But after watching Wayne on Monroe Vacuums from Monroe, North Carolina, um, followed his take apart. It wasn't exactly the same problem, but it kind of gave me a head start on what to look for. So when I took apart this pump off of here, I noticed that the leak was coming from right around this area. I took it apart and it just came right apart. So I'm assuming that I had some freezing weather temperatures and it just broke that. Here's a new one and it's on there solid. You also notice that my hose is a little bit different. The device that the vacuum, or actually the rug cleaner that Wayne was demonstrating on, had this piece going directly over here. Mine, for some reason, has a T. So what I'm going to have to end up doing on this is cutting the hose and making that work. So that's what I'm going to do.
Okay, so if you guys notice, this is the part that, like I said, he had the T kind of area or more of an angle, and he was able to cut it and make it work. The first part of this is that you just want to make sure that you take your time and take off the outer cover. And there's a couple of clips in that, so you really, you want to double check the other video. If you have an issue with your pump and you're trying to find a way to get inside, just double check the other videos we have in the Bissell tips, and they'll show you how to get in. And hopefully this video that Jim's putting together here can help someone else. If my videos might have been too complicated, or I love the way his camera work is right over the area, and he was able to just quickly and easily just take care of it. All right.
Okay, so you can see that I've got this all torn apart. And I'm going to go ahead and make the cut on this. So I've got this measurement right here. So here I go. Gonna do it. Although I can always get some more tubing if I need to. So I'm just going to go ahead and guesstimate right here. Okay. And that's about right. So let's go ahead and put this back on. And we'll go ahead and see how that works. And I need to go ahead and put another ring clamp on here. So let's kind of squeeze this on here. So I'm going to put this on here. Get another clamp here just in case. Put this here. I think that's going to be a perfect fit. I don't know that it's a lot of high pressure in here, so I think that these clamps should be good enough. All right, so go ahead and clamp this down. I gotta tell you that Lane's video was very, very concise, I thought, and not a lot of jibber jabber. So I like that in a YouTube video. Just get to the point. When my wife does YouTube videos for crochet, it's under the Crochet Architect, and I happen to do the videoing for her, do the technical end, and see something on crochet, go to the Crochet Architect on the YouTube channel. Okay, so got this on here. Then we just simply replace these right here. Hold the shaft down here, here. Right. Just kind of zoom past all this stuff, but editing, but it's not taking too long. We'll see. Think of this. Right. This. Yeah, again, I just thanks for people out there that put together YouTube videos that show how to do something and make life a lot easier for us all. So I looked all over for this pump assembly. They're all on back order. Wayne happened to have one in stock. It was his very last one. I'm real thankful for that. But they should be getting them back in stock shortly. And if yours is like mine, don't worry about it. If it goes directly, you can always cut that, just tie it right back in and make it work. Okay, so I'm going to try to get this belt on here. It's a little snug, and it should be. Got that part on. Kind of roll this on here. There we go. Okay, so I've got the belt on. We've got the, go ahead and put this, tighten this down just a little bit more. Yeah, it's a little bit loose in there. Okay, there we go. And after we got that shaft in place, then it showed that I Needed to get it down a little bit more. So anyway, all I need to do now is just put on the cover pieces. And Wayne showed how to do all that in his video. And I will test it out. And I will let you know how it all worked out. Okay, here is a little tip that I found out that might save somebody some trouble. It didn't really take up too much time to figure it out. But as you're putting this piece back on, you have, at least on my device, you have a little button here that turns off the sprayer that you can tap with your foot, turns it off and on. Well, with this in place, it's a little bit more difficult to line it up with the switch right here. Okay, so if you first go ahead and take these pieces off, get it all in place. Okay, I'm happy to report that the fix worked. I was able to put that pump back in there, and I double checked all my connections, so I'm good to go. Thanks again to Wayne at Monroe Vacuum there in North Carolina. Thank you for putting out those videos and helping us do our own home repairs, saving us a few bucks here and there. And I gotta say, the shipping to me on that little part was quick and easy. I do thank you for getting that out to me right away. So thanks again. Bye.
All right, Jim. Well, hey guys, thanks again for taking a look, and thanks for subscribing. Hey, I am more than happy to share more videos. If you guys feel free to share them with me. I think this was awesome. This is the first time that I was able to share a video that one of our subscribers was able to send me. I think this is pretty cool. I'm not sure how it works with YouTube and everything else, but I like it. This is all right. All right. Hey, Jim, hopefully we get to chat again. This was good. Talk to you later. All right. And everyone else, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Help us grow this channel. And like Jim said, these videos and others like myself, we put these videos out, try to help you out. And I remember when I first started, people asked me why you like giving away your trade secret type stuff. And it's like, yeah, I'll be honest with you. There are people in corners of even my state, even North Carolina, that don't have a repair shop nearby, and it's not cool if they're just stuck out there not knowing how to fix the problem that they have. Like Jim, they can always order the parts through me, and if I don't have them, I'll point them in the right direction. There are times I've sent people to other websites that have the parts, right? The idea is to help you get to solve your problem, and if it helps the channel, fantastic. And if all it is that you were just watching the video, that helps the channel too. All right. So until next time, okay? I have more videos coming out, and thanks again, guys. All right, bye.